Welcome to World of Fun 2.0. Are you ready for Nature's Hiding a Weirdo? Before we begin, don't forget to hit subscribe and join the fun. Nests look the same until one says surprise. Can you spot the odd one out? Bravo! All trees are chillin' green, but one's going off script. Can you find the difference? Good. Friends, roses are red, or are they? Find the odd one out. Great. A fruity party's going on, but one guest didn't get the invite. Can you spot the difference? Right answer. All suns are shining bright, but one forgot to wake up. Can you find the difference? The moons are dreaming peacefully, but one's clearly having a nightmare. Can you spot the odd one out? Good job. Can you find the odd butterfly? If you can like the video with love. Wow. Parrots partying, but one's not quite right. Spot the odd one out. $10 points. Sunflowers in a row, but one just doesn't glow. Spot the difference. Genius. Depicts one sneaky twist. Can your eyes catch the misfit? Spot the difference if you dare. You won. Fish, apple, or butterfly? Who's the odd one? Spot it now. Next. Coconut trees standing tall, but one's not quite like the rest. Can you spot the odd one out? Very smart. 3 flowers vast, but one's got a secret. Can you find the different one? Yes, it is different. Yellow and purple. One's not playing by the rules. Spot the odd one out. A cat is hiding in the mountains. Can you find it? The cat is here. You got it. Sweet mangoes all around, but one's got a secret. Can you find the odd one out? Yummy. Can you spot the odd one out? A basket full of mangoes, but one's not like the rest. Got it. Colors of the rainbow shining bright. Can you find the odd one out? This is different. Up, up, and away, but one balloon's not quite like the others. Can you spot the odd one out? Oxygen time. Can you spot the odd one out? Smart player. Big trees all around, but one stands apart. Spot the odd one out. Good going. Hear red birds flying high, but one's missing a piece. Can you spot the odd one out? 20 points. How many did you guess right? Comment your score with your name below. Pink flowers blooming bright, but one's just not quite right. Can you find the odd one out? Genius you are. There's one sunflower that stands out. Can you spot it? Excellent. Like what you see, then like, subscribe, and share the fun with everyone. Bye.